Hey everyone, welcome back to Desire. Want to create super relaxing, trending anime videos using completely free AI tools? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to go from finding ideas to generating stunning images and turning them into professional videos without spending a single cent. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. First, I'll start with Google and search for Pinterest. The first site you see is Pinterest. I'll click on it to enter Pinterest, which is the best platform for finding ideas. In the search bar, I'll type anime piece image and hit enter. Here, you can see plenty of images and ideas. I'll click on one of them to open it up. Once the image opens, it shows us similar ideas below it, giving you tons of concepts to get inspired by and download. Now, right next to the image, we click on the three dots. To download the image, we click Download Image. I download the image and save it to my system. Now, I'll open another image, download it just like before, and save it to my computer. Next, we'll head over to a free AI chatbot here. I'm using DeepSeek. I'll place the links to all the tools I use right in the description so you can easily access them. This is the main page of DeepSeek. Here, we select the vision option. Now, we upload the image we downloaded from Pinterest and type this prompt for it. Analyze this image and give me the exact prompt to create the image. I click on Generate so it extracts the image prompt for us. It analyzes the image really well and writes out the prompt for us. After it generates the prompt, I want it to give us 10 prompts similar to this one. So I write my request like this. Now give me 10 prompts for making images like this. I click Generate, and it starts writing 10 prompts for us. Just like that, it wrote 10 prompts similar to the image we downloaded. Now, I'll select one of them and copy it. Next, let's head over to another free image generation tool, GenTube AI, which I use a lot. It's one of the best sites for creating AI art, where you can generate surreal visuals, anime, or pretty much anything beautiful you can think of. Keep in mind that this site is completely free, and you can generate tons of images with it. Now, at the top, I click on Type to Create. This box opens up for us. Here, you can choose whichever size you prefer. I am selecting 9:16, which is vertical and works much better for social media. We paste the prompt we obtained from DeepSeek right here. It starts generating the image and creates it for us super fast. Excellent and beautiful. Notice that this site is 100% free and generates the image in a fraction of a second. By clicking Save, this image gets added to our profile. I head back to DeepSeek, copy another one of the prompts, and return to GenTube. In the prompt section, I paste the prompt, and it starts building the image. It generates it for us in under 5 seconds. This image looks great too. I'll save it so it's added to my profile. Once again, I go back to DeepSeek, copy another prompt, and paste it here so we can create the third image together. Very quickly, it built the third image for us as well. I'll save this one to my profile too. Now, let me click on our profile. We enter this page, and here you can see the images we previously created with this platform, including the ones we just built. Here, you check the boxes for the images we created and click Download at the bottom. It downloads the images one by one and saves them to our system. When you open the images, there's an option here to convert the image directly into a video. First, I'll head over to DeepSeek because I wanted to write the image-to-video prompts for the images we created. I type this phrase for it. Now give me the image-to-video conversion prompt for these 10 prompts as well. It starts writing the image-to-video prompts for these images. I copy my desired prompt. On GenTube, by clicking this option, you can convert your image into a video, and you can generate 5 free videos daily. Since it's currently in beta, I feel it still has room for improvement, but I'll convert one of the images here into a video so we can check it out together. Since we want to create a beautiful video with nice background music, I want to use another tool. I'll go to Google and search for Google Flow. The site you see here is Google Flow, so I'll click on it. We enter this page, and all you need to do is click on New Project. We enter this screen, and first, we upload the image we created using GenTube. Just click the plus icon, hit Upload, and select the image to upload. Once the image is uploaded, I click Add to Prompt. The image gets added to the prompt box. Now I go to Settings by clicking this icon. You can see the options. Here, I select the Video tab, choose the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio, and leave the generation count set to 1 video. For the video generation model, there are 3 options available. Here, I'll use VEO 3.1 Lite. Now we paste the video prompt that DeepSeek wrote for us right here and click Generate. I'll wait for the video to generate. Our video is ready. Let me show you. That turned out fantastic, so lovely and relaxing. Now, from this section, we download it and save it to our computer. This time, I'll change the video model to VEO 3.1 Fast, which uses 20 credits. I'll upload the next image we created here. After uploading our image, I click Add to Prompt. And this time, between these 2 options, I select Frames so that it converts my exact image into a video rather than generating something completely on its own. We copy our prompt from DeepSeek and paste it here. I click Generate so this video gets built too. Our video is complete. Let me show you. Once again, absolutely incredible. We created another anime video, and it looks beautiful. I definitely recommend giving this a try. There are endless ideas you can use to build anime videos using this method. I hope you enjoyed this practical tutorial. As you saw, by combining Pinterest, DeepSeek, GenTube, and Google Flow, you can create endless relaxing and captivating anime videos completely for free. If you have any questions or run into any issues during any of the steps, drop them in the comments below. I read and answer every single one. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and if you haven't joined the Desire family yet, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.